Yeah, lover, lover. I want to be your lover, lover. I want to be your lover, lover. Yeah. The question, baby, answer the question. I know they put me for tension. Do you love me, yes or no? Oh, yeah. Mention, tell me when I your name I dey mention, and I dey feel your vibration. I don't go let you.
Babe, I'm so glad that you accepted to be my girlfriend. Okay, but I want to tell you one thing. Okay, for now, like I don't have money. No. I have vision. I have goals. Like I know within time, I'm going to achieve those goals. So I hope you can still continue this relationship.
Exactly.